Yo Nation, Wagwan, support AJ back in the building with another episode. But as you look at the screen, you see Wagwan, Vybz Kartel receive a brand new award, mobo award. This is me I say, yeah, it's a good look for the Gaza boss. We see where Spice present the award to Vybz Kartel. It was like a blessing to Vybz Kartel. I can see how happy he is that Spice present this award to him, you know what I mean? Because Vybz Kartel is the one who bring forth Spice to the forefront in a dance hall and thing there. You see me I say so. By the end of the day, it's a good look. See them was there too, taking pictures and everything. Like I see them everywhere with Vybz Kartel represent with the Gaza. But by the end of the day, we can't bypass everything. We have to look at Lisa Hype when we get that show at the airport last night. You see me? At the end of the day, it don't look good because Lisa Hype I see a bag of things from the other day. And we don't really know why reason for all of this. All of a sudden, you see me? Because from Vybz Kartel, Bible carry them and them thing, their baiting start going in the Gaza with Lisa Hype, me hear them say Lisa Hype mad out and thing. But to me, it seems like some spiritual warfare going with Lisa Hype. All I want to know if you do a pray for Lisa Hype and strengthen her, because there's something really going on in the Gaza camp, and there's something really going on with Lisa Hype herself, you know what I mean? So we're gonna take a look into what Lisa Hype was saying and what happened to Lisa Hype in her ear.
Gaza no rape but Gaza. It a tape Gaza no rape but Gaza. It a tape Gaza but Gaza. You want me bring on down? Test me. You want me bring on down? Test me. Tell you don't test me. And me have him belly bottom. And me have him belly bottom. You don't test me and we talk things where we send him back a blood clot prison. Don't test me. You hear me? I want to know. Alright.
Good night, madam.
Good night, sir.
Constable Boaz is the name from Norman.
Boaz from where? Hold on.
Norman, the police station. Alright, so I'm aware that you don't have a ticket.
So where you carry me? You carry me at the police station?
No, I'm not taking you in the police station.
Where you want me for do?
Under the airport regulation act, it's an arrestable offense for you to be here.
Oh, so what me have to do? Come out of the airport?
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. What you say your name again? What you say your name again?
I would have already informed you, madam.
I want to hear back your name. What you say? I not come out till you give me your name.
And if I see this on any social media platform,
shut up your mouth. You can't
I'll definitely be pressing charge.
Press charge and me press back charge for you. Make me see it good. I better you lock me up here. Oh. It done the life already. You done the on social media. You can't show me. One way you go. A superintendent live right across from me. Oh.
Can I see your passport, please?
See who for passport. I'm this year, man.
Ma'am, may I see your passport?
See who for passport. I'm this year. Oh. Who for passport you want to see? You don't know who me is already. Big idiot police boy. You don't know who me is already. Fucking ugly like. But you want to see passport.
Fix it here.
So fix it. My head gone for real. I don't baddest life. I don't want nobody ramp with me right now. But my head gone for real. So I know so not done, you know. You want to carry my shoes then? You want to carry my shoes? Or you want passport? Other that lock me up. Go video no mama. Go video no so cocky mama.
Alright, miss.
Miss what? Go video no so cocky mama. Monkey. Go video. monkey and we bust it. Show me one left that far in here. Big idiot.
Leave me.
Listen, we're gonna charge, right?
Charge me.
Can you take a suitcase, please?
Who you gonna mash up? That me I ask you. Who you gonna mash up? Who you gonna mash up? Who you gonna mash up?
Can you take a biscuit?
I want to know. Boy, think me like you know. Una corruption. Demon or no.
Hello, miss. Hello, miss.
I know my rights, you know. At Queen's High School me used to go, yeah? Queen's High School me used to go. Don't talk to me. What do you want to follow back? Oh, what do you want to follow back at me for?
Leave the airport or come with the police.
I know that you should have put your hand for me get for buck you.
I'm not going to find it. There are other things to go and do.
And there's other things, so me have the power there too. Me have the power there too. Me have the power there too. Don't talk to me.
No, you can't go to the airport. You understand? Come here, sir.
Somebody's calling.
Come here, sir. Yeah, JB. Yeah, JB, you are going.
Miss, go on from beside me, no man. Go on, no man. Give me some space, man. This I make history. A history me I make, boy. Yeah. You want my shoes to eat? You want that clock for them?
Yeah, go and get them.
I'm going to tell you this, charge or not. You see whosoever send you no? You see whosoever send you no? Nah get back my pussy. Chase from Stony Hill, where PNP, nah get back my pussy. Kartel, nah get back my pussy. And that's what would me want to go ride off. Hey, boy.
Will be taken down in writing and used against you.
Use against me in court. Use against me in court. Oh, I'm to that big idiot police boy. Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to that big idiot. So where you walk? Go on now where you walk beside me for.
I'm gonna charge you.
Put the handcuff on me then now.
No, you can't charge her. No.
Put the handcuff on me then.
No, at least at this. No.
Hold them here for me.
No, that's what she said.
Wait for Andy.
No.
Hold them here for me.
No, that's what she said. No,
See that?
Go line.
Your husband? Yeah, man, if your husband come with us.
Remember everything you say?
You know what nights and days when the boss beat me through my go hey, you think I'm afraid to talk the things them? From that I put out me and fuck by the ex-girl there, a beer lick me get. Hey, hey boy, take up my clothes for me. I'm not gonna mash up my things for me. Don't touch my head, boy. Don't touch my head. You know have my hand. You know hold my hand already.
Please go.
So them have me a car. They gonna carry me go lock me up. Yo, my phone. You buy my phone. You buy my phone.
Give me the
You buy my phone. You. You buy my phone. You buy my phone.
Give me the phone.
Me ask you if you buy my phone.
Put the phone neighbor.
Won't not carry me go.
Run us.
Won't not carry me go.
Nation You can see what going on with Lisa Hype. Me I say on pray for Lisa Hype because this is not a good look. What going on with her after how we know Lisa Hype never used to talk much. Now she be on the internet and do a lot of things. But Vybz Kartel received the Mobo Award and a lot of fans was happy and a lot of people wasn't. Let's take a look.
You're here with the Mobos. What does it mean to you?
It means a lot to me. Trust me, I've never been awarded before for the Mobos. Yeah, but that's what I say throughout my journey. You know what I've learned? You have to believe in faith, change, and forgiveness. So we're here now, representing music of Black origin and excellence.
Come on.
The winner of the Mobo Impact Award is no other than the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel.
Hold on. Mobo, how you feeling? That's it. You know, first I got to say, God is the greatest. Because think about this. Got locked up, did 13 years in prison. Meanwhile, I'm doing 13 years in prison, I'm diagnosed with Graves' disease. So I'm fighting to be free. I'm fighting my illness. I'm fighting to keep my family together. This is my son right here, Little Vybz. I'm fighting to keep the fans pleased with good music. And look how God great. Nominated for a Grammy with an album that I did in prison. Got released from prison. Got engaged to my fiance who's from England. Kiss me, baby! Hold on. I'm big up the Mobo Awards, so give me the award. I big up my son. Big up the Queen of Dancehall, Spice. It's a pleasure to be here.